Hello. Welcome, my friend. We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, welcome. Please relax. Sit down. Take a deep breath.
Today, we will help you with a very important thing.
A very important thing in English.
We will learn how to introduce yourself in simple English.
Very simple English. Easy English.
If you feel nervous when you speak English, this lesson is for you.
If you feel shy, this lesson is for you.
If you think, my English is bad, this lesson is for you.
You are not alone. Many people feel this way.
Yes, many people feel scared to speak English.
They think, what if I make a mistake?
Or, what if people laugh?
But today, we will help you feel better.
We will go slow.
Very slow.
We will use easy words.
Very easy words.
And we will repeat again and again.
Because repetition helps memory.
Yes, repetition helps you remember.
And repetition helps you speak with confidence.
Our goal today is simple.
You will learn how to say who you are.
You will learn how to say your name.
You will learn how to say where you are from.
And you will learn how to say what you do.
Simple things, daily things.
Things you can use every day.
At work, at school, with new people.
Maybe you meet a new neighbor.
Or a new friend.
Or a new teacher.
Or a new customer.
You want to say something.
You want to introduce yourself.
But your mind feels empty.
Your heart beats fast.
Your mouth feels dry.
This is normal.
Yes, very normal.
But today, we practice together.
We practice in a safe place.
No pressure.
No fear.
Just learning.
Just trying.
And making small steps.
You can do this.
Yes, you can do this.
Let us start with a very common problem.
A very real problem.
Imagine this.
You are in a new place.
Maybe a new job.
Maybe a new class.
Someone looks at you.
They smile.
They say, hi.
Nice to meet you.
And then they wait.
They wait for you to speak.
Your head says, say something.
But your mouth says nothing.
You feel stuck.
This happens to many people.
Today, we fix this problem.
Step by step.
First, let us start very small.
Very small.
The first words are simple.
Very simple.
The first words are hello.
Or hi.
Hello.
Hi.
These two words are very friendly.
They are very common.
You can say hello to anyone.
Young people, old people.
Men.
Women.
One person.
Many people.
Let us practice.
Please listen first.
Hello.
Hi.
Now you.
Say it slowly.
Hello.
Hi.
Good.
Very good.
After hello or hi, we say our name.
Your name is very important.
Your name is who you are.
In English, we say, my name is.
My name is.
Listen again.
My name is Emily.
My name is Paul.
Simple.
Very simple.
Now you try.
Say, my name is.
And then say your name.
Slowly.
My name is.
Good.
Very good.
You can also say, I am.
I am Emily.
I am Paul.
My name is and I am mean the same.
They mean the same thing.
Not this. Name Emily.
Not this.
But this. My name is Emily.
Or this. I am Emily.
Let us repeat.
Repeat helps memory.
My name is Emily.
My name is Paul.
I am Emily.
I am Paul.
Now you.
My name is.
I am good. Very good.
You can also say, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is very polite.
Very friendly.
People like to hear this.
It shows respect.
Listen. My name is Paul. Nice to meet you.
I am Emily. Nice to meet you.
Now you try.
Say your name.
Then say, nice to meet you.
Slowly.
Good.
Very good.
Now let's put it together.
Hello, my name is Emily.
Hi, I'm Paul. I'm from the United States. Nice to meet you.
This is very good English.
Beginner English.
But real English.
People use this every day.
Let us practice again.
Repeat after me.
Hello, my name is Emily.
I'm from England.
Nice to meet you.
Now you.
Take a breath.
And speak.
Good.
Very good.
You are learning fast.
Yes, you are learning fast.
Now, let's add one more thing.
Just one more.
People often ask, what do you do?
What do you do?
This means your job,
Or your work.
or your study.
Or your study.
To answer, you can say, I am a...
I am a...
Listen, I am a teacher.
I am a student.
I am a shop worker.
I am an engineer.
Use a or an.
But don't worry too much now.
Just listen and repeat.
You can also say, I work as.
I work as a teacher.
I work as a driver.
Or I work in.
I work in an office.
Simple ways.
Many choices.
Choose one you like.
One is enough.
Let us repeat.
I am a.
I am a.
Now you.
Say your job or study.
Good.
Very good.
Now let's put everything together.
Listen first.
Hello, my name is Paul.
I am from England.
I am a teacher.
Nice to meet you.
Very simple.
Very clear.
Now you try.
Slowly.
One sentence at a time.
Good.
Good.
You are doing it.
Yes, you are doing it.
Feel proud.
Yes, feel proud.
You just introduced yourself in English.
This is a big step.
Now we will practice more.
With small situations.
Real-life situations.
But first, let us pause.
Take a breath.
Relax your shoulders.
You are doing great.
We will continue in a moment.
Let us continue gently.
Yes, we continue slowly.
Now we will use a small real-life situation.
Imagine this.
You meet a new person at work.
They smile.
They say, hello.
You smile too.
You say, hello.
Then you say your name.
Hello, my name is Emily.
Hi, I am Paul.
The other person listens.
They say, nice to meet you.
You answer, nice to meet you too.
This is very natural.
Very friendly.
Let us practice together.
Repeat after me.
Hello.
Hello,
My name is Paul.
my name is Emily.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Now you.
Say it.
Good.
Very good.
Now the person asks, where are you from?
You answer,
I am from.
I am from.
Let us practice.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
Now you.
Answer slowly.
Good.
Very good.
Next, the person asks, what do you do?
You can answer simply.
I am a student.
I am a teacher.
I work in an office.
I work as a driver.
All are good.
Let us practice.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What do you do?
I work as a teacher.
Now you.
Answer.
Good.
Very good.
Now, let us have a longer conversation.
A full conversation.
Listen first.
Do not repeat yet.
Hello, my name is Emily. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I am Paul. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from the United States. How about you?
I am from England.
What do you do?
I am a teacher. What do you do?
I am a student.
This is a real conversation.
Very real.
Very simple.
Now let us practice together.
Repeat after me.
Hello.
My name is...
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I am from.
What do you do?
I am a.
Good.
Very good.
Now, let us talk about common mistakes.
This is important.
Mistakes are okay.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Even native speakers.
Mistake number 1.
Saying, my name, Emily.
Not this.
But this.
My name is Emily.
With is. Repeat.
My name is.
Good.
Mistake number 2.
Saying, I from India.
Not this.
But this.
I am from India.
With am. Repeat.
I am from.
Good.
Mistake number 3.
Speaking too fast.
Not this.
But this.
Speak slowly.
Clear words.
Slow English is good English.
People understand you better.
Do not rush.
Take your time.
You are allowed to be slow.
That is okay.
Now let us practice again.
One more time.
Hello.
Hello, my name is Emily.
I am from England.
I am a teacher.
Nice to meet you.
Now you.
Say it.
Good.
Very good.
Let us repeat the key phrases.
This helps memory.
Hello.
Hi.
My name is.
I am.
I am from.
I am a.
Nice to meet you.
Repeat again.
Hello.
My name is.
I am from. Nice to meet you.
These phrases are your tools.
You can use them every day.
Put them in your pocket.
Use them when you need.
Now a small confidence talk.
This is important.
You do not need perfect English.
You need clear English.
Simple English is strong English.
People want to understand you.
They are not your enemy.
They are friendly.
And if you make a mistake,
That is okay.
smile.
Try again.
You are learning.
Learning is good.
Every time you speak, you grow.
Even one sentence is good.
Even 2 words are good.
You are brave.
Yes, you are brave.
Speaking a new language is brave.
Feel proud of yourself.
We are proud of you.
Now, one last practice.
Final practice.
Imagine meeting someone new.
You smile.
You speak.
Hello.
My name is.
I am from.
I am a.
Nice to meet you.
You did it.
Yes, you did it.
This is the end of our lesson.
Thank you for learning with us.
Keep practicing.
Speak every day.
Even a little.
You can do this.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.